he would have married to you. Because he don't love you. The man don't love you. I said the man don't love you. The blood of Jesus against you.
Yes, you have your supporters and whatever, but how far do you really think you can go with fake pranks? So hey guys, welcome back to another reaction video. No, I actually watched this video, so it's not really a watch and react, but a watch and react, if you get what I mean. So when I saw this, I knew it was going to be epic. It's King and Shay, my favorite pranksters on YouTube. They are Jamaicans. Now, basically, this one is about King trying to prank Shay, having his mother call Shay and tell her that he's getting married to another woman. So them have the pastor lady in the green dress is the mother, and she just take the cake, guys. Me can't wait for reach a party and show you how the mother here. She just lie. And the piece of paper that the pastor have in his hand is the marriage certificate. So they might get everything ready now and whatever. And please stay to the end, guys, because I have a little something to say about Jamaican pranksters and some of the fake ones. I might tell you the ones that are fake, because on my observation, some of them are fake. But I know King and Shay, they're real.
And you me want, me say me want to shake off yourself. What you do? Who decide that you? Come a yard. I will need come a yard. You heard me, no, that me don't like to do. Me feel it for the hour. Me can't believe. Me can't believe somebody did really do something like that. Me can't believe. After when he called me up a White House. No, when he called me up a White House, he's not going to disrespect me. I have to cuss him out. If you hurt me, me can't believe somebody do something like that. Hurt me, Pastor they up here. Eddie up here. Eddie are most of the really when we really look on the Eddie should have stand by your side. And really if he tell you, and me up here, I say we are going, we stand up out there so. It's right up the start, they try, the start of the Jeremy, when you have his birthday, up there. O'Neill, one girl come from America. You understand me? Girl come from America. And him, O'Neill tell me, say, come up here and tell me, say, Mama, we private. Yo. Tell me, say, y'all in go buy all the ring. In next stick the ring, not even what they have one on the different engagement ring and the marriage ring and everything. I tell me, say, when you come down to your face, I'll be a surprise. When you did I look for me. Now they want surprise. When he get all the cost, everything. I come up here and I marry different woman from the beach. He said, Shay, believe me, say, me tell us that my son that me have there. You never know, say, coming like, just like a Tony. The king say, Tony back sound gone. Tony cuss him like a drunk. Tony supposed to be the we are done, then our ride. You know, if I take taxi, God, no want to see your father. Where your father there? You can't take it no more. Married girl in I married Jesse, I'll marry Jesse. You see money with them I send from foreign the only collect from me. No much money only collect from me, you know, with $50,000. I'm not business now. Look here, I'm not afraid of only. You know, if it's for only should never be so for only say I'm gonna marry to your palm beach and then you know I have a beach ready. And then sit there only eventually. All only in a jacket suit up like Shay. Believe me, anything what you want to do, me no business. Anything on you is a little wicked. And guess what, me no. Guess that way faster up at 20 come up and come married on the beach too. No, Andre. Me say me couldn't believe all Andre me did. Me say me tell Andre so bad word. Let him remember to be a Christian.
Hey, when mommy say, me tell the man some bad word, tell whomever some bad word, and I remember say me a Christian, me say a floor me reach, me say me can't believe oh mommy lie. Mommy lie, if lie was a person, I would have O'Neill mother. Remember me tell you. So now them set up on the beach and them a wait for Shay fi arrive now. Me say my heart beat out of my chest, guys, when me a watch this. Trust me. Crazy.
Hey, you can't, hey! Don't do that. No. You cannot do that.
You say you're king mother, and you can't do all of this, you know. You are dirty hypocrite, you know. Oh! When you call her and carry her so far, you can mash up all the way to people over boy.
You must have the mic. That's it. If the man didn't know so he would have married to you. Because he don't love you. The man don't love you. I said the man don't love you. The blood of Jesus against you. I refuse in the name of Jesus. Yes,
Are the wickedest prank this I've seen in such a long time. I love watching pranks, but I like when they are real. Watch the emotion on the girl face, guys. I cried. Tears started streaming. It's like some start believe too, you know. Especially when this little Marga chick now in the red dress now gonna call him mother hypocrite. That make it even more epic. It was so real that I cried. I cried literally tears because look at the raw emotion. Yo, the prank, talking about it right now, me even they get goose pimples. This are the realest prank, realest prank, me I tell you. Yeah, O'Neil, yo, yeah, this are the prank of the year. This are the prank for 2021. And a lot of Jamaican YouTubers need to take, now listen to me carefully, you need to take a page out of King's book because this is what pranking is. This is the real thing. Right, guys? This is the real thing. Look at the raw emotion and Shay. Look at this. If you want to watch the entire prank though, go over to them channel, right? And show them support. Like, share and subscribe. Like, share and subscribe over here so too. So now we're gonna talk about the fake pranksters here in Jamaica. Guys, listen, but there's no way you can be pranking you and your spouse or your girlfriend or your whomever prank. And you're pranking in the same room every day and the camera is at the same spot every single day. And you don't know that it is a prank. First of all, the camera is not hidden because if you look at the room at different angles, you can see clearly that there's nowhere to hide a camera on a blank wall. Number two, when you look sometimes and they're doing certain things, you can see the reflection of the camera in whatever they're holding up. Like one of them did a prank about some fake phone thing, and you can see that the screen of the phone is facing towards him. The lights ever bright no matter what time of the day or the night. Uno fi stop it. Come up with things like this. Look at this raw emotion. These are what people want to see. Yes, you have your supporters and whatever, but how far do you really think you can go with fake pranks? Come on, guys. Let us make YouTube in Jamaica be something like it is in the United States of America. I'm not saying that there are not fake pranks in America, but one thing for sure, they do a very good job of faking the pranks. it is just so obvious. I just stop watching it or just click off it because it's just. And if people continue watching this and whatever and telling you that this is good, trust me, these people are hypocrites. So y'all need to take a page out of King and Shay book because them are the realest, best pranksters in Jamaica. So guys, if you like this video, please go ahead, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Next time I'll show my face in the video, but right now I just can't. See you next time. Bye.